740 Solutions. Today we're at Tommy's shop. We are installing the exhaust for the 2019 WRX STI S209. It barely beat out that Dyson vacuum cleaner yesterday, so make sure you watch that video right here if you missed that. And then we got the Corvette right here, which was the champion. But hey, we'll have to test out the new exhaust compared to the stock exhaust on the Corvette. But without further ado, check out the unboxing and the installation of our new Invidia exhaust for the 2019 STI S209. And don't forget the links below in the description for Audible, Weeble, free stocks, and more. All right, guys, time to unbox the new exhaust for the S209. So we ended up going with the Invidia N1 Street Edition. So that means it comes with the resonator and the small flex pipe as well. Trying to eliminate the drone so I can still take my business calls and whatnot. But I ran the N1 on both my previous STIs. It was an 08 hatch and an 09 hatch. My previous N1 race actually survived a pretty bad accident. So that is why I ended up sticking with the N1, and I do like the single exit, even though that's gonna trigger a lot of people. You know, going from a quad tip to a single tip is gonna be an eyesore for some people over here, but we're gonna look into getting some carbon fiber bits to go ahead and block that off right there, and then probably do the little light mod right here, and then we'll have that nice single tip coming out since it is just a 4-cylinder turbo. So all right, so we got our axle back here with the nice tip right there. Boom! Alrighty, they do a good job protecting it. Got that stainless steel finish. We got the gaskets that we're gonna need right here with the bolts. Silencer, don't need that. See you never. Then we got the axle back portion to the mid pipe, to the resonator, to the little flex joint, and right where it hooks up to the down pipe. So today, we're going to be leaving the stock downpipe on the S209. So we're going to go ahead and use the adapter that will convert our 3-inch piping to, I believe, what is 2.5 or 2-inch piping. I believe it's 2.5. So we'll go ahead and do that. Coming right up. All right, y'all. So in order to go ahead and get these on and the stock ones off of the exhaust hangers, you're just going to need some WD-40. All right, since we're doing single exit, we only got two hangers, and then the hanger right there, and we're about to connect the pipe up. Alrighty, the cannon is mounted. Yes, it is a single exit. Yes, it is Invidia. Stainless steel, titanium tip. Got that nice long cutover. We do have the resonator so I can still make phone calls. And then, yeah, we got the AC dripping a little bit over here. And this downpipe is on notice. So we had to use the adapter for the stock downpipe to aftermarket catback, but that is on short notice. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to be entered to win all the contests we got coming up. I'll be throwing at R400 or whatever exhaust you guys want to at 1,000 subs. Also, I'll be giving away the better version of these headphones at 1,000 subs as well. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like button for that algorithm. We got to flex on that algorithm. And then we got Corvette content coming up. Got some new tires coming for that C7 Grand Sport back there. We still got to do a review on Meg's TRD Off-Road right back there. TRD Off-Road RAV4. And yeah, so appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you guys like the exhaust. If you got triggered by the single exit, well, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so I can get a nicer exhaust at 1,000 subs. Stay safe.